Malitang PBA pa rin, patuloy po ang panggugulat ng Blackwater Elite sa ongoing PBA Philippine Cup. Kagabi ay ginulantang ng Elite ang Governor's Cup finalist Meralco Bolts upang ilista ng Jusel Lucion franchise ang isang 2-0 start. May report si Joyce Salamatin.
Sumandal sa isang game winner ni veteran point guard Denok Miranda ang Blackwater Elite upang kunin ang isang 86-84 victory laban sa Meralco Bolts sa ongoing Philippine Cup linggo ng gabi sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. May 4 na segundo na lamang ang nalalabi nang maibuslo ni Miranda ang isang game-winning off-balance shot lamang sa depensa ni Basser Amer at last season Rookie of the Year Chris Newsom. Ayon kay Elite Head Coach Leo Isaac, hindi na siya nagulat sa naging performance ni Miranda na isa sa mga dependable journeymen ng liga.
The last play was an option for anybody. Actually, it could have been the other 4 guys who could have taken the last shot, but the veteran that he is, Denok Miranda, would really rise up to that occasion and take the challenge. And still at 34, Denok Miranda pwede pa.
Nagtapos si Miranda ng 11 points at 7 assists habang 25 points, 6 rebounds at 3 steals ang inilista ni rookie Mac Bello upang kunin ang best ever 2-0 start ng franchise.
We were also trying to get the other players involved in the first 2 quarters. Like we almost had a full rotation. Players like Bam Bam Gamalinda, they were given minutes. If you could notice yung Art de la Cruz and Bello, nag-start lang, then nagtrabaho na ulit going sa third quarter and fourth quarter. So,
samantala, naniniwala si Isaac na seseryosohin na sila ngayon matapos maging favorite whipping boys sa unang 2 taon nito sa liga.
Ang tumatakbo sa isip ko would be other teams would be preparing harder for us, unlike in the last 2 years that we've been campaigning. Siguro the other teams, pag nakita sa schedule kami yung kalaban, siguro relax sila. But for now, siguro with this 2-0 and with this very convincing win over Meralco, and siguro asahan na namin that other teams will be really focusing on how they can beat us.
Susunod na makakalaban ng Elite ang tropang TNT ngayong Biyernes sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Para sa PTV Sports, Joyce Salamatin.